Is beta thalassemia. Beta thalassemia is that type of thalassemia in which synthesis of beta chains is affected. The the production of beta chain is reduced significantly. It occurs because of a mutation of a gene HBB on the 11th chromosome from each parent. Because beta chains are formed, beta chains are encoded by a single gene HBB on the 11th chromosome from each parent. So synthesis of beta chain is affected because of mutation of HBB gene on the 11th chromosome from each parent. Now, how severe is beta thalassemia? The severity of beta thalassemia depends on the nature of mutation. The nature of mutation determines how severe is beta thalassemia. In one type of mutation is called beta 0 or beta thalassemia major. In one type of mutation, the beta thalassemia is called beta 0 or beta thalassemia major. Because of this mutation, no beta chain is formed. There is complete loss of beta chains. There is complete absence of beta chains. There is no synthesis on beta chain. The other mutation is beta plus or beta thalassemia intermedia. The other mutation causing beta thalassemia is beta plus or beta thalassemia intermedia, which allows synthesis of some beta chains. Some beta chains are formed. So in both the cases, what is the consequence? What is the result? There is an excess of alpha chains. The synthesis of beta chain is reduced, but there is an excess of alpha chains. But these excess alpha chains do not form any tetramer. The excess alpha chains, the free alpha chains now bind to the membranes of RBC and damage the RBC membranes. At very high concentration, the free alpha chains form toxic aggregates. They accumulate and they form toxic aggregates. These excess alpha chains, which are insoluble, accumulate in the RBC. They form precipitate, damage the RBCs, cause cell lysis, and leads to anemia. The excess alpha chains, which are free but insoluble, accumulate in the RBC, form precipitate, damage the RBCs, causing cell lysis and leads to anemia. This is about beta thalassemia, where there is complete absence of beta chains or there are too few beta chains. Beta thalassemia, because of mutation of HBB gene on the 11th chromosome, there is complete absence of beta chain or there are too few beta chains. It leads to anemia because of the excess alpha chains, which are free but insoluble, and they damage RBC membrane, lysis of RBC, leading to anemia. This is about beta thalassemia.